This is a 2008 Mazda Tribute. This crossover has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, 3-point seat belts for all seating positions, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 61,000 miles. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Hollingsworth Richards Mazda is located at 7777 Florida Boulevard in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. And as always, remember, at Hollingsworth Richards, we're making deals every day.